All right, taking a look outside right now, we are seeing just a couple of clouds overhead. Temperatures starting to get slightly cooler as we've managed to make our way back into the lower 80s as well as the 70s for portions of the Treasure Coast with help from some of the rain that you may have seen earlier in the evening. 76 right now in Fort Pierce, Vero Beach 77 as well as Okeechobee, Port St. Lucie and Stewart coming in at 80. Jupiter looks like we're missing data, but temperatures are probably in at the mid 80s, close to what they are in Boynton Beach, about 86. By tomorrow morning, we should be making our way back towards the lower 80s, and some spots may even be in the upper 70s early in the morning, especially the Treasure Coast, a few degrees cooler than that. But we're going to get hot as we head into the afternoon. Highs are going to make their way into the low to mid 90s. That means our feels like temperatures are going to be in the triple digits yet again before the rain arrives. And of course, not everyone is going to see that rain. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're creeping up towards 105, 106 for portions of Palm Beach County. And we may even need a heat advisory yet again for tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see if the National Weather Service does issue it. Regardless, though, another hot and humid day with little relief out there as we are only expecting spotty showers and thunderstorms to develop with our sea breeze. So the day starts off looking sunny and nice out there. Those temperatures getting hot, but as the sea breeze moves in, it should help slightly, and then we'll be tracking chance for those spotty showers and the possibility for some thunderstorms to move in with some gustier winds. But only about 30% of us seeing this rain, at least for Sunday. As we head into Monday, I do expect it to be a little bit more widespread. So scattered showers and thunderstorms developing as early as about noon and then continuing to spread up our coastline. And once it merges with the Gulf Coast sea breeze, that will help us have more action towards the evening as well. So that's what we are going to be watching for. In terms of how much rain we are expecting in the week ahead, well, good majority of our coastline is looking like around an inch, maybe even up to an inch and a half. But further inland, especially for far inland for Palm Beach County, 1 to 3 inches. But this area is very dry, so that would be great if we do actually get there. Isolated spots over that as well, over the 1.5 inches is definitely possible too. Then we are also monitoring 2 areas of potential development. One being this newer area, 20% chance within the next 7 days. There's a tropical wave that is expected to head off the coast of Africa, so we are going to watch it, especially later in the week. As for now, though, it is expected to start to turn prior to heading towards the U.S. coast. So this is the other area we are watching, as there is a 30% chance of developing off the Carolina coast, and that is also moving away from the U.S., which is good. All right, here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the low to mid 90s tomorrow, about 94, 30% chance of rain. It goes up to 60% on Monday, and then we'll kind of linger with that 40 to 60% for the next several days.